Welcome to Center for Social Science. In this video, we are going to discuss about 10 most dangerous snakes in the world. First of all, let's look basic facts about snakes. Snakes belong to the kingdom Animalia, phylum Chordata, class Reptilia, order Squamata, clade Ophidia, and it includes in the suborder Serpentis lineus. There are about 3000 different species of snakes, in which 725 species are venomous. They are divided into 30 different families and numerous subfamilies. They are the second largest group of reptiles after lizards. Snakes are absent in Iceland, Greenland, New Zealand, Newfoundland, Ireland, and Antarctica. Snakes are cold-blooded, thus their body temperature changes in according to the temperature of their environment. Snakes do have nostrils, but they don't use them to smell. They smell with their tongue and by using their Jacobson's organ in the roof of their mouth. Snakes don't have eyelids, instead they have a thin membrane attached to each eye to protect them, called as the Brille, which in German means glasses. Snakes can open their mouths up to 150 degrees, allowing them to eat things that are 75 to 100% bigger than their own size. 70% of snake species lays egg while the other 30% give birth to their young ones. Snakes cannot bite their food, so in order to eat large prey, they will unhinge their jaw to swallow the food whole. Each year, snakes will shed their skins 3 to 6 times to allow for further growth. The snake uses its venom for self-defense and for killing prey. It is not a poison, rather it is protein. It causes harm only when it mixes with blood. Some snakes can survive without food for up to 2 years. Snake skin is used to make cooking instruments. Snakes kill over 40,000 people a year over the world. It takes 3 to 5 days for a snake to digest its meal. The fear of snakes is called philophobia or herpetophobia. Snakes have internal ears but not external ones. Some sea snakes can breathe partially through their skin, allowing for longer dives underwater. Snakes used in snake charming performance respond to movement, not sound. Snakes' hearts move around in their bodies. Two-headed snakes are not just mythical creatures, they can occur on rare occasions. A snake skeleton has 600 to 1800 bones depending on the species. So, now let's look at the 10 most poisonous snakes in the world. Let's start from the top 10. The Belcher's sea snake, also known as the faint banded sea snake. A single bite from this snake can kill a person in less than 30 minutes. These snakes are relatively small and have a slender body with a yellow case and green crossbands. They can hold their breath for nearly 8 hours. Primarily found among the tropical reefs of the Indian Ocean, Gulf of Thailand, New Guinea, Indonesia, and along the Philippines coast. Its venom contains high levels of neurotoxins and myotoxins, and it is thought that one drop is strong enough to kill 1,800 persons. The ninth one is the Mojave rattlesnake, also known as the Mojave green. These snakes vary from light green to brown in color. It possesses the most potent venom among all the rattlesnake species. They are aggressive towards people and will defend themselves vigorously when disturbed. The young are born in live birth and not hatched from eggs. The venom causes difficulty in breathing and can lead to respiratory failure if left untreated. Native to Mexico and USA, they can be found in California, Nevada, Utah, Arizona, New Mexico, and Texas. The eighth one is the common death adder. It resembles a viper. The adder comes from the elapid family of snakes just like the cobra and black mamba. They have a broad, flattened, triangular head and a thick body that is covered with red, brown, and black colored bands. These snakes are solitary in nature and are primarily nocturnal. Their venom is highly toxic neurotoxin and their bites can result in death within 6 hours if left untreated. Native to Australia, these snakes are found in New South Wales, Queensland, and South Australia. They can lie in wait for their prey for days at a time. They are masters of camouflage and can easily hide beneath loose leaves and debris. The seventh one, the Russell's vipers, also known as chain vipers, one of the most dangerous snakes in India and is responsible for the most snakebite incidents and death among all the venomous snakes. Deep yellow, tan, or brown in color with 3 series of dark brown spots. They move slowly and sluggishly. Found in India, Sri Lanka, Bangladesh, Nepal, Myanmar, Thailand, Pakistan, Cambodia, China, Taiwan, and Indonesia. They can lift most of their body off the ground while attacking. Their venom is highly lethal to humans in doses of 40 to 70 milligrams. They are named after Patrick Russell, a Scottish herpetologist who first discovered many of Indian snakes. Next is the tiger snake, one of the most dangerous snakes in Australia. Their venom contains a blood-clotting agent and nerve paralyzer. They are highly variable in color and are often banded like the stripes on a tiger. These are solitary snakes and interact only for mating purposes. A tiger snake's venom contains highly potent neurotoxins, coagulants, mycotoxins, and hemolysin. The venom can be fatal to humans and the mortality rate is merely 60%. They often hunt in water and can stay submerged for up to 9 minutes and climb trees and bushes. The fifth one is the black mamba. The black mamba is the second longest venomous snake after the king cobra. The inside of the snake's mouth is black, hence its name. They have a coffin-shaped head and can vary in colors from olive, yellowish brown, khaki, and gunmetal, but they are rarely black. Black mambas are generally shy and nervous. They are some of the world's fastest snakes and are capable of a speed of more than 12 miles per hour. In the wild, they can live for up to 11 years. In captivity, they can live for longer than 20 years. They can be found in African countries. Next is the blue krait, also known as the Malayan krait. The blue krait has a color pattern of bluish-black cross bands separated by yellowish-white interspaces. These kraits are generally not aggressive or strongly defensive and tend to bite only when really provoked. Found in Peninsular Malaysia, Central Vietnam, Thailand, Bali, Laos, People's Democratic Republic, Indonesia, Singapore, and Sumatra. Venom consists of extremely powerful neurotoxins made by of presynaptic and postsynaptic toxins. The inland taipan, also known as the fear snake. It is called fear snake for its venom, not its temperament. Inland taipan is the world's most venomous snakes. Inland taipan, one of the 3 types of taipans, coastal, inland, and central ranges, in dark tan in color, ranging from a rich dark hue to brownish light green depending on the season. The venom of an inland taipan consists of thypoxin, a complex mix of neurotoxins, proconglomerates and mycotoxins that can hinder breathing, causing hemorrhaging in blood vessels and tissues, and paralyze and damage muscles. Inland taipan's venom is specially adapted to kill warm-blooded animals. The second most venomous is king cobra, the world's longest venomous snake. In one bite, a king cobra delivers a tremendous amount of neurotoxins that induces paralysis. King cobra's venom is so strong that it can kill an elephant in just a few hours and can cause death in 50 to 60% of untreated human cases. They measure up to 3 to 4 meters in length and have black heads with 2 crossbands near the snout and 2 behind the eyes. King cobras are found in Bangladesh, Bhutan, Brunei, Cambodia, China, Hong Kong, India, Indonesia, Laos, Malaysia, Myanmar, Nepal, Philippines, Singapore, Thailand, and Vietnam. They are the only snakes that build a nest for their eggs and guard them till they hatch. King cobras are monogamous, which means they mate with only one partner for life. The king cobra's generic name, Ophiophagus, is derived from Greek and means snake eater. Now we are looking at the most venomous snake in the world, the saw-scaled viper. The deadliest snake in the world, it is responsible for more human fatalities than all other snakes put together. These snakes have a stout body with a pear-shaped head which is distinct from the neck. Unlike most snakes, this viper moves sideways. They can be found in arid regions and dry savannas north of the equator, across Africa, India, Sri Lanka, Pakistan, and the Middle East. So, scaled vipers are considered to be one of the deadliest snakes of the world because they are often found in populated areas and a lack of readily accessible anti-venom in rural areas add to their lethality. So, scaled vipers can live for up to 23 years. So, that's all about the most venomous snakes in the world. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel for more videos.